Hey everyone, welcome back to Supreme Tire and Auto's YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over why it's important to change your cabin air filter in your vehicle. Cabin air filters are important because they remove any type of allergen such as pollen, dust, and it even stops bugs from entering your vehicle. Mechanics do not recommend driving without a cabin air filter as the driver and passengers will end up breathing in potentially harmful pollutants. It's also important to change your cabin air filter every 15 to 30,000 kilometers. This is because if the filter gets clogged, your AC and heating air may not flow properly throughout the vehicle. We realize that changing your air filter by yourself seems complicated. That's why I'm here to remind you that Supreme Tire and Auto can always do it for you. See you guys next time and drive safe.
Thanks for tuning in to Supreme Tire and Auto's channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more Supreme content. And remember, if you can't come to us, we'll come to you. We'll pick up your vehicle, service it, drop it off. Check the link in the description for an appointment. We'll see you guys next time.